Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to archive or delete or read conversation in Google Messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. So here we are just going to follow this Google Messages Help Center article. And from here, we are going to learn exactly how we can archive, delete, or read our conversation. And simply all you will be needing to do is to access your Google Messages app and make sure that you are on the home page. And after that, you will be able to go to any conversation, tap, hold on your conversation. So here you will be needing to simply tap, hold your conversation, and then you will find the archive uh, panel or the archive choice. You click on it, and then you will have your conversation that will be archived successfully. And you can also start marking as read your conversation. So here we can just select our conversation. We go to this 3 points icon, and from here we can click on mark as unread. And by that, you will be able to see that our conversation is waiting for reading. Either you can access the message and it will be read, or you can simply hold click on it again and then mark it as read. And simply, this is how you could have uh, archived your messages or your conversation on Google Messages, and you can do the same other actions in the same way. So you will be needing to simply hold click on your conversation. You want to delete it, you will be needing just to click on delete. And for deletion, it will be a permanent action and you cannot undo deletion. So we can simply click on delete for this one, and you can uh, archive this one and you can recover it whenever you would like. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.